Even when I feel tortured, you still try to relax. The pain that I have in my body is extreme. And yet I eat too healthy. My diet's good. And then that's when you start to worry, you know, you take the blood tests and you wonder what is wrong. I felt it at 14. About 14. It's great, isn't it? 14 years old. And they must disguise it. They must disguise it with other things as time goes on. As years pass in a decade, you see. Probably thinking I was going to be a criminal, you see. A ne'er-do-well, does nothing, useless, worthless. I had people who talked like this about me for years. Anyway, you move on and I'm here, and if I was living in the poorhouse, then they would have arrested me. Then they would have had me. Then it would have been easier. So much easier. You see, it's not living in the poorhouse, it's the people that live in the poorhouse that are criminals. That's the problem. And then they judge, right? Spread a few rumors, you haven't done anything. The more gentlemanly you act with some people, the nastier they are. It's strange, isn't it? Don't be a stranger.